Isang Southeast Asian market ang isinagawa sa Toronto ngayong Sabado na nagbigay po ng oportunidad sa mga sining at kultura ng mga Asyano sa ASEAN region na makilala ng iba pang lahi sa syudad. Silipin natin ang Sea Friends Fest sa report ni Kisha Balatbat.
There's a lot of similarities that we've learned through talking with each other and learning about each other's cultures. And yeah, we just really encourage creative collaboration because it's just a great way to learn.
Isinagawa ng bagong grupo na Sea Friends ang kanilang kauna-unahang market na Sea Friends Fest sa Toronto ngayong Sabado. Nais nilang ipagsama-sama ang mga Asian creatives mula Southeast Asia para makabuo ng mas malaking komunidad.
I had a lot of experience with Filipino arts and culture programming, but I wanted to expand because Filipinos are like the dominant Southeast Asian community in Toronto, and there's like countless festivals and events, which is great because that wasn't the case when I was growing up. So now I've decided that I wanted to expand and learn more about our Southeast Asian siblings or siblings, like we used to say.
Karamihan sa mga artists sa market ay mga Pilipino. Kabilang si April Larmer, ang mixed media artist sa likod ng Another Technique. Mahilig daw siyang sumali sa mga market dahil nakakakita siya ng ibang sining at nakakakilala ng ibang tao. Pagdating sa Sea Friends Fest, ikinatuwa niya ang pagtutok nito sa Southeast Asia.
I think it's important because we don't see enough of it. I feel like too for Southeast Asians, like it's almost feeling like coming home, like to go to like festivals and stuff like this, and like you feel seen.
Ginagamit daw niya ang kanyang pagiging Pilipino bilang inspirasyon sa kanyang mga sining.
For example, like it's like this one was like an image from an advertisement in like the 70s, and then there are other ones too, like this one for example, like I wanted to do something based off of what's that word, like the thank you bag, you know, like so I decided to do maraming salamat, and like yeah, like I just like to do stuff like that.
Ang Sea Friends Fest isinagawa kasama ang suporta ng East End Arts sa ilalim ng kanilang Art Labs 2026 program. Si Danny Hernandez ay ang programming assistant ng nasabing organisasyon. Bilang isang Pilipino, nakakatuwa raw ang magkaroon ng oportunidad na makasama ang komunidad.
I think it's always so exciting that all of us from the diaspora were able to come together and find each other and find community and like-minded people to like work together and really, just be in spaces like this and band together and not feel so alone, because I think a lot of the times as an artist it can feel like a very lonely endeavor, and especially because so many things are underfunded, it can feel really discouraging. But these types of events, it really helps to feel, uplifting. It helps you to keep going, and just the friends that you make. Like it's always at the end of the day, I think it's all of the people that you meet is the magic of these events.
Sa ngayon, ito pa lang ang nakaplanong market event ng grupo, pero asahan nila na may iba pang pagtitipon ng mga komunidad sa pamamagitan ng film screening at community hangout. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Toronto.